Operation Warp Speed is a public-private partnership initiated by the Trump administration to facilitate and accelerate the development, manufacturing, and distribution of COVID-19 vaccines, therapeutics, and diagnostics. Operation Warp Speed was introduced in early April 2020 after a roundtable meeting with industry executives at the White House on March 2. It will promote mass production of multiple vaccines based on preliminary evidence allowing for faster distribution if clinical trials confirm one of the vaccines is safe and effective. The plan anticipates that some of these vaccines will not prove safe or effective, making the program more costly than typical vaccine development, but potentially leading to the availability of a viable vaccine several months earlier than typical timelines. Congress allocated on March 27 nearly $10 billion for Operation Warp Speed through the Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security Act, with $6.5 billion designated by Congress for countermeasure development through BARDA, along with $3 billion for NIH research. Operation Warp Speed is an interagency program that includes components of the Department of Health and Human Services, including the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, Food and Drug Administration, the National Institutes of Health, and the Biomedical Advanced Research and Development Authority, the Department of Defense, private firms, and other federal agencies, including the Department of Agriculture, the Department of Energy, and the Department of Veterans Affairs. After it was first revealed in the press on 29 April, President Trump officially announced a public-private partnership on May 15, 2020. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.